Hi. In this video, we'll look at how to edit a page with the Live Builder by creating a contact page. I will create a contact page as if I was creating it for the Da Vinci Museum. Let's take a brief overview of its content. I'll start editing the pre-designed contacts page from the demonstration site. I start by clicking the Edit Live link at the top. Here's a pre-designed contact page and its content. The basic principles of working with the content are simple: drag and drop and click to edit. I want to edit an element, so I click it. Its settings open in the side panel where I can make the changes. The first section already has a horizontal parallax. The background image moves with the mouse cursor. For the demo purpose, I'm switching it to vertical parallax, so the image would move with the page scroll as it was on the original museum site. To simplify the page design, I'm removing the parallax for now. Also, I'll remove the background image and leave the text only to simplify it even more. To edit the text, I'm clicking the text block element, removing the text's non-needed part, and changing the title. Also, I'll align the text to the left side. I'll have a quick look at the museum site. Let's check its other sections. I'll skip the introductory text, but I'll copy the text below. I'll select and copy the text and get back to the Live Builder. Now I'll add a new block to the layout. I'll click the plus icon at the top, and the builder will show the available elements, which could be divided into two logical groups. The first one is for the containers, and the second is for the content elements that can be placed inside the containers. As we need to add a text block element, I'll first add a new content row. Its settings are showing up in the side panel. Next, I press Add Element again and drag the text block element. I'm replacing the example text with the one from the museum website. As you see, bold and regular text styles are preserved. Taking another look at the original page, I can see that the text block had a gray background. I'll add this one as well. To make it, I open the design settings, choose the background tab, and pick the color. I'll select one of the default color palettes. To add spacing around the text, I switch to the Spacing tab and specify the spacing of 1.5 rem, equal for each side. Now, with the spacing added, the text block with the background looks nice. Moving back to the original site, it also got several content blocks with contact phone, address, and email. I'll copy the phone number first. Next, I open the relevant icon box element and paste the new digits. It seems that this text is a little bit too large. I can change the text style from the heading to the regular text style. Next, I'll do the same with the email. Changing the link and title accordingly. And I do the same with the address. And I'm also changing the heading style to regular text for both. Moving on to the text block on the right, I can see it has a non-needed text description, so I'm removing it. Also, adding a heading before the icon boxes with email and phone would be nice. So I first copy the existing element and move its copy to the needed place. For now, I'm missing some spacing between elements. I press the Add element again and add the separator element after the heading. Its default size is set to medium, but I want to change it to small. Now everything looks appropriately aligned. And yes, I'm changing the heading text to the needed one, for example, our contacts. Moving the elements inside and between the columns has become simple and friendly. Let's say I want to swap the email and the phone number. So I drag and drop the related elements. And that's it. So today, I've shown you how to edit a page with the new Live Builder. See you in the next video.